Hello, my name is Miss Gall and I teach first grade at St. Hilary School. My students have done a fantastic job transitioning back to in-person learning. They have adjusted to all of the new safety protocols, and it is clear that they are so happy to be back in school. In order to engage the remote learners in my classroom, I live stream my instruction to the students who are remote. This allows them to be a member of our classroom community, and it allows me to ensure that they are able to ask me questions when needed. I also conduct check-ins with my remote learners and their families virtually in order to answer any questions about remote learning and to have a personal connection with my remote learners. In my classroom, we use the mood meter to check in about how we are feeling on a daily basis. This activity allows me to get a sense of how my students are feeling, which I believe is a powerful tool as a teacher. We also complete social and emotional learning activities using books, videos, and classroom discussions. I partner with the families in my classroom by letting them know that I value their input regarding their child's education. I also have created choice boards for my families with different activities and discussions that they can have with their child in order to reinforce what we are exploring and discussing in the classroom. At St. Hilary, we use family communication tools such as Remind in order to ensure that families are aware of what we are learning about and working on in my classroom.